If you watch the gurus right now, they're giving you two options. Option A, scrape thousands of emails from Apollo and spam people until your domain gets blacklisted. Or option B, spend 6 months building a personal brand and hope someone DMs you. In 2025, neither of these is enough. The B2B market has shifted. Decision makers are tired of cold DMs and they don't have time for free ebooks. Today, I'm going to show you the Tribrid lead system. It's the exact strategy we use to generate high-ticket B2B leads using a combination of paid intent, organic assets, and automated outbound. No cold calling 100 people a day, no hoping, just data. Here is the biggest lie in B2B marketing right now. It's a numbers game. You hear this all the time. Just send more emails, just make more calls. But let's look at the math. If you scrape a list of 2,000 gym owners or aesthetic clinics, maybe 1% are actually looking for your service right now. That means you are annoying 99% of your market to find the 1% who might be interested. This is what I call brute force marketing. It burns out your team, it ruins your reputation, and frankly, it's inefficient. The strategies from 2023, like manual scraping from Google Maps, are too slow for 2025. We need a system that filters the ready-to-buy clients from the tire kickers before you ever speak to them. So, what works now? It's what I call the Tribrid system. It consists of 3 specific engines working together. Engine 1 is paid intent. We use Google and LinkedIn ads to identify people who are actively searching for a solution. Engine 2 is asset nurture. Instead of a PDF, we use video assets to build trust at scale. Engine 3 is inbound-led outbound. We only reach out to people who have engaged with Engine 1 or 2. I'm going to break down exactly how to build all 3 of these today. By the end of this video, you will have a complete roadmap to flood your calendar. Let's start with rule number 1. Stop guessing, start targeting. Most people skip ads because they think it's too expensive, but they are willing to spend 40 hours a week manual scraping. For B2B, we focus on intent keywords. If someone searches how to generate leads for plumbers, they are in education mode. If they search lead generation agency for plumbers, they are in buying mode. You need to set up a sniper campaign on Google Ads. You aren't looking for volume, you are looking for the bottom of the funnel. Even if you pay $10 a click, if it takes 10 clicks to get a lead, that's $100 for a lead that is actively looking to hire you. Compare that to paying a VA on Fiverr 20 to scrape 1,000 bad numbers. The ROI on paid intent is immediate because the deprivation is high. Rule number 2 is don't just give value, create deprivation. Alex Hormozi talks about the Grand Slam offer, but most people miss the most important psychological trigger he mentions, the deprivation gap. Here is the mistake most B2B agencies make. They try to sell the solution immediately. They say, hey, book a call and I'll fix your ads. But the client doesn't even know their ads are broken yet. Instead, you need a lead magnet that reveals a problem, right? You want to show them a gap between where they are and where they could be. Think about it like a website speed test. If a client runs a free test and sees their site loads in 9 seconds and you tell them every second loses 3% of revenue, you just created urgency moss out of thin air. You didn't pitch them, you just showed them a problem that gets worse the longer they wait. So forget the PDF guides. In 2025, use diagnostic tools, e.g. the audit. Free 15-point security audit reveals vulnerabilities. The calculator, B2B ad spend wasted calculator, reveals lost money. The benchmark, see how your email open rates compare to the industry average, reveals underperformance. Once they see the data, they feel the deprivation. And who is the only person qualified to fix it? You. You move them from not interested to I need this fix now without ever getting on a sales call. Rule number 3 is asset-based nurture. Let's say you get the lead. They downloaded your tool. Now what? Most people just spam them with book a call emails. This is wrong. You need a bridge. That bridge is a video sales letter, VSL. Jordan Platten mentioned that you need 7 hours of content for someone to trust you. That's true. So on your thank you page, immediately show them a 5-10 minute video. Part 1. Validate their problem. Part 2. Show social proof, case studies. Part 3. Explain your mechanism, how you solve it. This video does the heavy lifting. By the time they get on a call with you, they shouldn't be asking, who are you? They should be asking, how much is it? Because the content has already pre-sold them. Rule number 4 is where we bring outbound back in, but we do it smartly. This is inbound-led outbound. We don't cold call strangers. We call the people who engaged but didn't buy. Scenario: someone clicks your ad, downloads your audit tool, but doesn't book a call. The action: You use a tool like instantly.ai or Go High Level to send an automated email and a manual video drop. The script isn't buy my stuff. The script is, hey, name, saw you ran the audit on your site. I noticed one specific error on your homepage. I made a 30-second video showing you how to fix it. Want me to send it? This is the warm outreach strategy applied to inbound leads. It's personal, it's relevant, and it converts 5x higher than cold outreach. Rule number 5 is the feedback loop. You cannot improve what you do not measure. If you are running this system and not getting leads, you need to diagnose where it's broken. If CTR is low, your ad creative or headline sucks. If opt-in rate is low, your lead magnet isn't valuable enough. Review the naming convention. If call booking rate is low, your VSL isn't building enough trust. Stop blaming the algorithm or the market. Look at the data, tweak one variable at a time until the machine prints money. So let's compare. The old way, 2023. You spend 4 hours a day scraping Google Maps, cold calling people who hate you and praying for a referral. You are a salesperson, not a business owner. The new way, 2025. You spend money on high-intent ads. You send traffic to a high-value tool. You let video assets nurture the lead. You only talk to people who are qualified and ready. You are building a self-reinforcing system. So if you want to build this tri-bridge system for your B2B offer, you need to master the paid traffic side first. I have a full breakdown on how to run B2B Google ads coming up next. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Stop grinding, start scaling. I'll see you in the next video.